friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Sunday, August the 2nd, and we are at Walgreens in store, and we're doing some deals, including really cheap 3-packs of Chapstick, some 99-cent Unstoppables, and other items that are like $1-ish, which is a really great price point. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing a digital booster as of this morning on any account. If you're going to do this with a paper booster, following the rules, you got to pay for the balance with your debit or credit card. But the rest of the deals, if you just want to do them singularly, you can use Walgreens Cash or register rewards from previous deals to get smaller out of pockets. For the spend 45 to earn back 15 basket for P&G products, I'm going to let you know around 9:30, 10, I could not load any digital coupons on the Walgreens app, so we're going to press pause on that. The other coupons we can load, but those P&G ones are popping up this error message, so we'll visit this tomorrow. And I want to keep this 100% with you guys, not just show you a basket of stuff that's impossible to do. So a big thumbs up for honesty. And if you could hype the video, I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and the video if you can do both. Now, before we hop into Walgreens, I have been at the Dollar General since Friday, and I am like Dollar General exhausted. A lot of these deals, if not all of them, I found that I had prepped for you guys. I will link this video at the very end if you want to watch it. Remember, look at the digital coupons in case they might have expired. Last week into this week, there are new deals, including this one for a 3-pack of Chapstick mocktails. It must be this exact one, and I'm going to share the UPC. You're probably going to find this in a side cap in that shampoo beauty aisle or shampoo medical aisle, where they have that entire side cap full of chapsticks. Here is the UPC. You can see that they're $1.48. So for this transaction, you're going to grab 3 of them. And we have a 4 off of 3 digital coupon. You're going to utilize that and pay 44 cents for 3 packs of these mocktails. There's also a Dollar General store coupon, but you have to buy $8. And at $4.44, you are just not there. I know a lot of you are strong CVS or Walgreens shoppers, but if you can line this up for 44 cents for 3 of them, make it happen. These 3 packs of these chapsticks, I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but there's a chapstick everywhere in my house. I am team, I hate dry lips. It drives me nuts. So when I can stock up on this for 44 cents, especially, you know, if I wanted to give some to my in-laws, my sisters-in-laws, I have many of them, they would be so delighted to have this. So even if you're a big pharmacy shopper, find your way to the Dollar General to do this deal. It's going to get cleared quickly because it's only on this flavor. I did see some ladies pick up the singles at the front checkout, and that 4 off of 3 is attaching. Of course, scan the barcode to ensure that it is still attaching. But yeah, Dollar General, I would do at least this one deal. Even if you hate the store, this is the deal to do. We are back at Walgreens, and we're going to be looking for this little friend on clearance for $2.49. And so we're ideally going to find 3 of these. It's a 3-pack. That's why it's such a great deal. There's also a summer one, but the digital coupon, this friend is not attaching. So I don't know why, but it isn't. And it's a 4 off of 3. Now for this digital coupon to work, you have to be at the summer higher of $4. So 3 of these on clearance would be $7.47. Subtracting your coupon, you're paying $3.47 for the 3 or $1.15 per 3-pack. Now hang on to your receipt because we're going to take a picture for fetch. And $10 specifically at Walgreens, you're getting back 1,750 points, $1.75. So you're very close to that. I mean, if you can pick up 4, ideally you would get this, I believe, or you would get close to it. But yeah, it's a progressive one over at the Fetch Rewards app, so definitely photograph your receipt. If you cannot find anything on clearance, the cheapest way to do it is to pick up 3 of the singles. Scan that barcode to ensure that your digital coupon is in fact attaching. I know sometimes with that spearmint one, it could be a bit fussy, but I think original and strawberry, it should. So you're going to be grabbing 3 of those. And then we have that same coupon, so make sure you have that friend loaded. The 4 off of 3. And remember, all manufacturer coupons are of a one-time use. So here we are, 3 of these chapsticks for $1.99 each is $5.97. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $1.97 for the 3 or 65 cents each, and photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for extra points. That would be half of it. Another spectacular deal that we have are these Unstoppables, and it's like some limited edition one. It's the teeny tiny one at 4.8 ounces. We have a $4 digital coupon, dropping it down to 99 cents. Now, this $4 digital I could load on my iPad this morning, but my phone could not load it as of like 9:30, so it was really weird. I noticed that too. So yeah, you might not be able to load the coupon, but it says that the coupon's there. And for whatever stupid reason, this is either not in the system at my store or it's not on the shelf because you can't even throw it into a basket right now. So let's just be mindful of that. The next cheapy deal that we have is on the Dove shampoo at $5 each. So for this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of these friends for $10. We're going to load this digital coupon, the 4 off of 2, and the promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $4 register reward. So remember, class, register reward deals in store. 2 of those for $10, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let you guys know too, if you can't load that 4 off of 2 digital coupon, I would wait later today or Monday to start doing these deals, just in case this stupid problem just continues. Absolutely love this deal with the soft soap. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these for $5.99. Loaded this digital coupon, a $3.50 off of 2. And then when you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward. 2 of these hand soap refills is $11.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $8.48. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6.48 for the 2 or $3.24 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Axe Fancy, this specific one, it's for this deal where you're going to get a 7 off of 2. I know some markets it might be a bit cheaper, but around here it's $9.99 on a buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them would be $14.98. Subtracting the 7 off of 2, you'll pay $7.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 each. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you could track down 2 of them for $7.49 and that 7 off of 2 is attaching, it's a much cheaper deal. Unfortunately, not the deal around here. These smaller crests, if you can track 3 of them down, we have that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Promotion is when you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. So grabbing 3 of these at $3.50 a pop, that is $10.50. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Continuing with these dental care deals, now we're going to look at the Colgate. We're going to grab 2 of these little friends and load this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. And when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $4 register reward. Grabbing 2 for $4.50, that's $9. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Not a bad little deal. I know there's other $4.50 and whatever coupons. Just make sure that your coupons are attaching properly and it's tagged at your store. Okay, so the Listerine to go is the $3 product. It's basically like a little mouth rinse that you put on in your mouth and then you like run off to Walgreens, I'm assuming. So they're $3 a pop. When you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. So 2 of them is $6. Getting back that $4 register reward, it's $2 for 2 or $1 each. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You know that Crest register reward? Throw it into this deal. Why not? I mean, you'll have a nice little stockpile of dental care. The next deal that we're looking at is with the Gillette, the fancier razors. I will let you guys know those 3. I have a $3 and a $5 coupon. Had trouble loading both, but it's $8 of digitals altogether. We're going to buy one for $9.99 and one for $12.99, making it $22.98 or like a $12 and a $9.99 razor. So the Skin Guard and a more expensive Venus. $22.98, subtracting $8, you're going to pay $14.98. Get back a $6 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you can't load the coupon, wait on this one, guys. Ronnie and Angel Soft, priced at $6.99. Buy two, get back a $3 register reward. Both of them have dollar digital coupons. So grabbing one of each, it's going to be $13.98. Subtracting $1 off the Brawny, $1 off the Angel Soft. You're going to pay $11.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8.98 for the two, or $4.49 per unit of paper. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The two final things we're going to talk about before I run off into the big sunset: buy two, get two for free on these 12 counts of the Pepsi, Coke, Sprite. I know a lot of you entertain for the summer holidays, cookouts, and so on and so forth. So I would definitely stock up. We never really see this price at Walgreens. If you might have Walgreens cash register rewards that you want to throw into it, by all means, go and make that happen. And then for 93 cents, we also have the buy one, get two for free on these food storage bags. Good for 100 different things to organize your house or your pantry. That's it for this video. Dollar General stuff linked right here. Check it out, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.